Hello and welcome back to Every Problem. This is Stewart Calculus 8th edition, section 1.1, problem number 60. For problem 60 it says, a closed rectangular box with volume 8 feet cubed has a length twice the width, so express the height of the box as a function of width. Okay, so with these kinds of problems it can be difficult trying to figure out what to do first, so I always really try to make it as easy as possible from the beginning. So I start with the most basic ideas possible. So here we go. We have a box and volume is equal to 8 feet cubed. Okay, what else do they tell us? Well, they tell us that the length is twice the width, okay? So we know that L for length equals 2W, W for width. And, okay, well, what do they want? They want to know height H in terms of W. So one thing that we can safely assume is that we're going to use the volume for something. So let's go ahead and write a volume function as well. The reason I assume that we're going to use the volume is because they did tell us that the volume is 8 feet cubed. And they're not asking for the height itself. They're just asking for the function of height in terms of width. So with that said, let's go ahead and write the volume equation. So we have the volume, right? And that's going to be equal to 8 feet cubed. But anytime we find the volume of, what does it say it is, a box, right? A rectangular box, a rectangular prism, it's going to be length times width times height. Okay, great. Well, right off the bat, I see that we can do a substitution. So here, sorry, let me underline where I say here. That way you can see it. Here in red, it says L equals 2W. So what I want to do is I want to actually substitute in this 2W wherever I see an L, which would be right there. So now that's going to give us 8 feet cubed equals 2W times W times H. Ooh, that's kind of a rough H. There we go, times H. Okay, great. We will combine our terms here. Now we have 8 feet cubed equals 2W squared H. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2W squared. And that's because I want to get my final answer as H in terms of W. So that's going to get us, there we go. That's going to get us 8 feet cubed over 2W squared equals H. And that's our final answer. Now, as for the units, I understand that we have feet cubed here and W squared. Now, because W squared is in some length of feet, then what's going to happen is the order of magnitude of this of the feet cubed, it'll go down to just feet, and that's it. And that's going to be it with this problem.